G'day and welcome to Module 8 of our Data Studio course. We're going to just talk a little bit, we've talked about styling the charts, so just a little bit on sort of more general styling of your dashboard. Obviously the main thing here is the use of colour. So using colour to guide the eye. You want to help people understand the story that you're trying to tell them. And again, I've mentioned this book elsewhere, but there's a wonderful book, Storytelling with Data, that I would highly recommend for this if you want to dig deeper into this topic. You can add various images. You can see down here in the bottom right hand corner, the styling of this matches the client's website, and particularly when you're sharing the dashboard with the client for the first time, if you show them something that's sort of fully branded, in this case in their colors with their logo at the top, and some of those little styling elements from your site. And we're very lucky that we've got the amazing Caitlin in our office that can do all of this for us, because I probably wouldn't be able to, well, I know I wouldn't be able to create this in a million years, going and grabbing elements from their website and sticking them in here. But it makes it look a lot more probably palatable to them, makes it easier for them to then not freak out that you're sending them this